Hey there, everybody. Hopefully, you are watching this after you do the practice problems. So that way you can see if you did them right before getting the answers here. Okay, so number one was up here. We had a table that we needed to write a rule for. Remember, we are trying to find our rule is y equals mx plus b, where just write it out for you, mx plus b, where m is our growth. And b is our starting point. So let's go ahead and try to figure out m first here. So we're going from -2 to 0 to 2 to 4 to 6. So it looks like we're increasing, so our growth is going to be positive. -2 to 0 is +2, to 2 is +2, to 4 is +2, to 6 is +2. So it looks like our growth is going to be 2 on this one. The starting point is always where x equals 0. So for this problem, our starting point is going to be -2. So for this table, your equation is going to say y equals 2x plus -2. Number 2 down here, let's take a look at that one. Here you're given a rule and you need to fill in the table. I like the starting point is always a good place to start. Starting point start. Makes sense, right? So my starting point is the plus b here. So my starting point is 30. And my growth is -5. So it makes a difference if your growth is positive or negative. Negative means we're going to be decreasing. So I'm going to be going down from 30 by 5. So I'll go 25, 20, 15. So there you have it, the answers for your problems, for your practice lessons today. Remember, if you have questions on this, please join us on our Google Meets. Like I said, it gets kind of lonely on there, so I'd love to have more of you join us. Have a great rest of your day, guys.